Welcome to Jaguar Land Rover. My name is Jordan Rothrock. Today we're going to take a look at this 2020 BMW 330i xDrive. It only has 7,000 miles on it, so it is very low mileage. If you're not familiar with BMWs, all the xDrive means is that it is all-wheel drive. Now, standard with most vehicles nowadays, especially at the luxury end, it does have proximity entry, meaning that you can lock it and unlock it without having to remove the keys from your pocket or your purse. Now, it is a mid-size SUV, and sometimes space is a concern in the trunk. It's nothing you need to worry about here. There is plenty of room in here. You can fit a few bags, large-size suitcases, or whatever else you may need to put in there. Out back, it's awesome because there's plenty of legroom, so you don't have to worry about being crunched. And also in the center there, not only do you have 2 or 3 media charging ports, but you do also have controls to control the climate out back. Now, this vehicle is absolutely loaded. It has everything from heated seat, heated steering wheel, blind spot, lane keep assist, sunroof. It's got configurable ambient interior lighting, and the best part, it does have heads-up display. That is wonderful, so you can keep your eyes on the road but still know how fast you're going. I want to thank you for the time taking to watch this video. If you ever need anything, just come in, ask for me, or give us a call. My name is Jordan. I hope you have a wonderful day.